Every car has a story to tell, and someone needs to tell it, but the challenge is doing it in 60 seconds. This is 0 to 60.
My name is Rodney Colt, and me and my wife, Kate Colt, built this car. It's a 1964 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. It has got a flat finish on it, a little bit harder to take care of, but we wanted the chrome and the interior to be the accent of the car, not the paint. The interior is all leather in an ivory color, and it's all custom embroidered.
I spent 120 hours making carpet for this car. Every piece of carpet in this is handmade.
Bumpers are all brand new stainless steel chrome. We tried to keep as much of the original chrome as possible and then had stuff re-chromed as we needed. With that, we did all new glass panels except for the rear window. It's the original rear window. Everything else is all brand new. It is, the whole undercarriage is all purple to match the car. It's a rotisserie build. We painted every inch of this car is purple. So painted inside and out. This is your spare tire cover. This is a cooler for your drinks or your beverages. We did custom panels in leather, you know, to kind of